Hi everybody! Today we are going to learn how to stop doom scrolling by turning your Android screen grayscale. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on the option labeled Accessibility. Next, select the option labeled Color and Motion. From there, tap on Color Correction at the top of the menu. Tap on the main toggle switch next to Use Color Correction to turn it on. Under the Correction Mode options list below the toggle, tap to select Grayscale. Your entire user interface will instantly shift into black and white, stripping away the bright colors that trigger your brain's dopamine reward loops. To easily flip this on and off later, turn the toggle switch next to Color Correction shortcut to On. This maps an instant accessibility shortcut directly to your screen layout or navigation buttons, so you can kill screen addiction with a single tap. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.